hump in it. There's a little chicken fight.
Hello YouTube. So I'm on my way to go get 5 hens that are 5 months old and they're already laying eggs, which is pretty cool. So I'll have some fresh eggs right away and I'm gonna add them to my existing flock of 6, so I'll have a total of 11 hens and 1 rooster. And I got a new rooster the other day. His name's Elvis. I put out a little short on that, which you might have already saw. But yeah, we're excited. Good times.
These chickens here. So which ones are the ones? These are it?
These are the ones.
Oh, you're all ready to go.
Yep.
So these are all the chickens here. Oh, cool.
So it's been about 20 minutes. We picked up the chickens and we got a surprise. There's 2 eggs back there. The hens laid 2 eggs on the drive back. Pretty amazing. What a blessing.
So I just let the new chickens out. The 5 new chickens here. Looking pretty good. Happy in their new home. For us. Good job, honey. Okay, drop. Put her down. That's good. Good job. Go get another one. Yeah.
Get another one.
Go get another one. Good girl, honey. Okay, put her down. Good girl, honey. There goes Elvis. Elvis left the building or entered the building. Almost, honey. Keep going. Keep going. Good girl, honey. You did it. So we got all the chickens in. They're all together, the two flocks. And they seem to be doing pretty good. There's not much pecking going on, and so far so good. Hello, so here I am with some straw. I'm going to put this in the egg laying hutches here because I have some hens that are laying eggs now. Here we go.
You want to put some of this in there?
Yeah, you want to be able to see in there. How's that? There you go.
Yeah, that looks good. Maybe a little more.
This one? Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that's good. Nice cushion.
Okay, folks, that's it. Got the egg laying hutches. Fill the straw ready for some eggs. Egg laying. Yay!
Stop it. Guys, if you put your hand out, they'll eat it out of your hand. You don't have to do that.